Hi everyone, tonight I'll be making air fryer barbecue chicken legs. So what all goes into the air fryer barbecue chicken legs? 8 drumsticks, I'll be using most of these. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1½ teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and 1 cup barbecue sauce, any flavor. So let's begin. Preheat the air fryer, 400 for 5 minutes. So take a small bowl and put in all of your spices. 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1½ teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, and 1 teaspoon onion powder, and whisk that together. And set it aside. Take a large Ziploc baggie, put your chicken in the baggie, and then add your 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the bag. And then mix that around until it's fully coated. Then open up your bag and put your spices in the bag with the chicken and oil. Close the bag and mix that around until fully coated. So next I'll put in my silicone liner, which helps with cleanup. All right, there you go. Then put in your chicken in a single layer. So I think you'll be able to get 4 to a batch. So we'll probably have to do 2 batches. Just like that. So I'm doing the chicken 400 degrees for 10 minutes. All right, so the 10 minutes are up. We need to flip the chicken over. And you want to cook it until 165 degrees internal temperature. And you can even cook it up to about 180 just to make sure that there's no blood next to the bone or anything. So put your chicken back in the air fryer, 400 for another 10 minutes. So it cooked on the other side for 10 minutes. Next we'll take our barbecue sauce, which I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's hickory and brown sugar. You can use whatever kind that you want. And then take your pastry brush and brush it on the chicken leg all over. Then flip your chicken legs over. And brush the other side with the barbecue sauce. And be generous. So put your chicken back into the air fryer. 400 for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to do 3 just to make sure and get it done. And it needs to become a glaze. All right, so here it is after the 3 minutes. I'll take these out, keep them warm, make the other batch, and then I will be back after that batch is done. So here is the air fryer barbecue chicken legs, and rounding out the meal is mixed vegetables. Let's see what Dave thinks. Air fryer barbecue chicken.
Okay.
Probably be hot.
It's hot. Mmm. That is really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.